4 plus 6 equals 10. 10 plus 60 equals 70. 70 divided by 5 equals 14. And 14 times 4 equals 56. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have a couple of addition operators present, we do have a division and multiplication operators present too, and we have parentheses present as well. So according to the order of operations, parentheses have highest priority over anything else. So we need to solve what we have inside parentheses. 4 plus 6, that equals 10. Our expression simplifies to 10 plus 60 divided by 5 times 4. Now we have addition, division and multiplication operators present. According to the rules, multiplication and division have higher priority over addition, but we have to work from left to right. So we need to solve this division first, because that's on the left side of the multiplication. 60 divided by 5 equals 12, and our expression simplifies to 10 plus 12 times 4. Now we need to solve multiplication, because multiplication has higher priority over addition. So 12 times 4 equals 48, and finally 10 plus 48 equals 58, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers and subscribe to our channel.